I'm in the Turkish part, and now I'm driving on a street right next to this abandoned city, and there are all signs forbidden zone. To take photos and movies is forbidden. Well, it's okay for the Turkish to invade, but you cannot take photos and videos. It would be very nice to fly either out there or in front of it, but it's going to be extremely difficult. Well, I think I'm gonna launch the drone from the beach. I'm now at the other side of this hotel, and the thing is, if I launch the drone here, I can just fly over the sea, and that should not be a problem. And even if I film the city from the side of the sea, you know, I think I'm even completely flying legal and from a distance. So disadvantage is that there's a lot of people out here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to launch the drone. I'm going to quickly fly it higher and far away towards the sea so that you cannot hear it anymore. And then from there I will go into the direction of this ghost town.
Eventually.
And again, the recording is off, and that is just freaking weird. So the recording was off. Wow. And I'm very sure that I had turned it on. But what I can do is I can have a look at the screen recording to see what happened. Nothing happens. I still have the screen. It's on here, it's on here, it's off here. You see that? Okay, let's fly back along the line. Like this. I think you guys have seen it like this. Well, it means I got most of it. I won't have the ship. Just as a last shot. And I still have the screen recording, of course, but oh, great. Hello.
Hi. Hello.
Hello.
Coming from police.
Sorry?
We are coming from police.
You?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, right. Let me show you ID.
Yes.
All right. Come outside, please. Where are you from?
From the Netherlands.
Netherlands.
Yes.
And when did you come to here?
Last week.
Last week.
Yes.
Okay. And you were doing here?
I'm on holiday. Yeah.
Holiday.
Yeah.
And you had a drone.
Yeah, I have a drone.
And where did you fly to?
Along the beach.
Along the beach.
Yes.
Can we have a look at the recordings, please? Did you record anything on that Varosha place?
To what?
Do you know Varosha?
What is like
The restricted area?
I was flying along the beach.
Restricted area. What's
Like-
your name,
like-
sir? What's your name?
Peter.
Peter. Mr.
Yes, you did. Nasıl yaptın onu be? Ne kadar gider bu drone'da alır bunları da.
But I'm flying along the beach or
Yeah, I understand along the beach, but
I have a YouTube channel. Okay. This close to the sea, all these buildings must have been luxury apartments. See, there's a big street there. Let's fly a little bit more to that direction, okay?
devam. 50 metre yükseklikte yapılanlara.
Denizde kaç kişi kapatır?
Kendinden şu anda 1300 metre uzaktadır drone. Uzaklıktadır yani. 1 kilometreyi geçti uzaklığı. Sonunda hemen gitti de. Burada bir şeydir, onu diyeceğim.
Bunu silersak geri getirebilir. Döndürebilir.
Uzman değilim arkadaş.
Alo.
Mr. Pierre, didn't you say Pierce? Your name?
Peter.
Pierre.
Peter.
Peter.
Yeah.
Did you see any sign or warning that recording or the pictures are strictly forbidden?
I thought because I was flying over the sea from the air from a big distance, it wouldn't be no problem.
I mean, over here,
Yeah.
it's clearly you took the video of this area.
Sorry?
This area
Yeah.
is forbidden to take any pictures or video recordings. It's a restricted area. Didn't you see any sign?
Yeah, outside there.
You
I,
saw
thought,
the sign?
I thought if I do from the beach, maybe or from the sea, it would be no problem.
Kabul eden işareti de gördüğümüz. Uyarıyı da.
Ne için çekmiş bunu?
Hı?
Ne için çekmiş?
What you want? You want me to delete it or what?
Bilmesi için yazım tutup alüminyum makine çıkaralım. Bunları gündeme tutuklanacak.
You saw the sign, you said yes. Why did you still record it?
Nereden bilirdi? Amacı neydi bunu?
What was the
I-
purpose?
Buranın böyle bir yer olduğunu nereden bilirdi?
It's beautiful. It's an old city abandoned.
Yeah.
I have a YouTube
Ne
channel.
kadar zamandır kaldı güneyde bu?
I have a YouTube channel and
Where do you live?
in Netherlands.
You live in Netherlands?
Yes.
Hollanda'da kaldım.
Buraya direkt Kuzey
Turist
Kıbrıs'a
olarak
geldik.
geldim. Yeah.
Kuzey'e.
You came to Greek side?
Sorry?
Then you came to Greek side, yes?
Yes.
Then
Yes.
you cross here?
Yes.
Today?
Yes.
Or
Not today.
Nereden öğrendi burayı?
how did you find out about here?
Google Earth. I just want to show you what happens if you Google Varosha. Look. There's tons of images. This is from a YouTube video. When I go to some place, I always look like what things are to see. And I see movies and photos from this city on the internet.
İnternette
You know-
resim gördüm, video gördüm burasıyla ilgili.
So I think I have a YouTube channel. I always film
Kanalı var.
I always film abandoned buildings.
Her zaman terk edilmiş.
I can show
binaları
you a
çekiyorum.
video from Azores Islands. They have a big hotel. It's abandoned. It's beautiful to film. And I do this with a drone, and I see entire city abandoned. That's like a dream, you know.
Yes.
I'm not a soldier. I'm not a spy. I'm just a tourist, and I make videos for my hobby. And
Hanım önünde iki seçenek var. Ya silleri yolladık, ya aranın bebeği, anladın durumu. O da dersen al gel içeri.
Hayır. Sadece bundan başka bir şey çektiği var mı?
Is there anything else other than this video?
no, this is what I've been doing today. And
Only this video what I'm seeing here. So
Yeah.
it's basically 23 minutes.
yes.
But
And-
not all of it is Varosha, is it? What do you call this place?
Ghost town.
Ghost town. Name is Varosha.
Yeah, I know, but I don't remember that so well.
Arkadaş yani 8. dakikada başlar. Bak ne görüntüleri ya.
Lara yemesine bir ben yok bir şey ya.
And for this is my I can show you my passport. It's first day in Turkey. For the rest, I've only been in Greece.
Ya benim yoktur bir şey ya. Baktık ha şimdi bir şeye.
Nasıl?
Ha yani baktık ha. Suratla kontrol ederek kumsalı çekti. Biraz onları bile siliyoruz kendiler. Limanı çekti yani. Buradan bizim anladığın Palimiş'in soluna doğru, sağına doğru kumsalı falan. Zaten hemen de uçurttu yerine geldik. Onları da siliyorum yani, hatta söyleyeyim.
But you can see I was filming this ship too on the end of the video.
Sil gene videoları.
Okay.
Normalde alacak elin lazım 3 gün tutup alacak askeri mahkemeye
Do you know
çıkarılacak.
the normal procedure of doing
No,
this?
no.
We will be arrest you right now,
Uh-huh.
take you to custody, and then tomorrow you will face the court,
Okay.
probably for 3 days. Maybe if you have a flight, you're gonna miss it.
Askeri suçlu.
Gonna cost you lots of money. The place that you took the video is the first degree military zone.
1500 euro kesti sonuncuya.
Why?
It's a classified area.
Why?
It's forbidden to take pictures.
What is going on there? Nuclear rockets?
But what I'm telling you the law.
Yeah.
It is forbidden to take pictures. Last time when anything happened like this, they
Yeah.
gave them €1,000 punishment.
Uh-huh.
Bunu da yapmamamız lazım yani yaptığınız da yanlış.
What we're gonna do here is just
Okay.
delete and let it go away. But I hope you take this seriously this time. And next time, if you see a sign like you did,
I won't come back
you
here.
obey.
I won't come back here.
No.
I promise you.
I'm not telling you to not come back. I'm telling you to next time, if you see a sign anywhere, not only in Cyprus, please do obey it.
Okay. But
Bunun sildiğini sen çok siliyorsun ama ondan sonra geri getireyim dönüşü falan filan.
Getiriyorsan ne yapacağım yine? Söyle bana sen. Hadi. Ben daha silemedim bile gene zaten.
Çöpe geleceğim, çöpü de sileceğim.
Kardeş, anlarım sanki çok bakın.
Yani göstersin kendi silsin ya. Göstersinler gelsin de dışarı. Sen de bak da silsin.
So step out, sir.
yeah, sure.
If you can go through the videos, please.
This is all there is. This is movies, and then the recordings. So this is the video
Okay,
that I took today.
And delete is there.
I don't use this. Oh, here. Okay, delete. Okay.
Onun çöpe girsin.
Do you have a bin?
A pin?
Bin. Trash bin.
Let me see where.
Can I see your passport?
Yes.
Bayram edeyim. Limon.
take any pictures of this place?
No, I was only filming.
You sure?
Yeah, this is an old picture from Azores Islands.
How do I go back?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know where you are.
New to this
I
as
think
well?
So,
Yeah.
Ben da geldim Adır.
I know it's not a warm welcome, but we do have to follow the
I understand.
rules.
I don't think there is a bin.
You don't think, but you're not sure.
No, because normally what I do is I remove it, I connect it to my computer, and then I put it on the computer, and then
That's it.
and that's it, and then I remove it. So I don't use this so often, but it's like
If this is like a PC, then
no, it's a tablet. Maybe
It's a
there's
tablet.
it's let me think. There's another.
look, I'm gonna be honest with you, Piers again, or Pierre.
Peter.
Peter, if I let you go right now,
Mm-hmm.
and like I said, a couple of weeks later, if a video comes up on the internet,
Yeah.
I will be in big trouble. He will be in big trouble.
Uh-huh.
That means that we saw that you took a video,
Yeah.
we let you go,
Yeah.
even if you did take a video, and we will be in trouble. What we are doing basically here, we're taking a risk
Yeah.
for our job.
Yeah.
I don't want to do this.
No.
I really don't
understand.
want to do this. So I'm basically trusting you at the moment that even if there is a bin, I hope you're
Yeah.
not going to use it on the YouTube or anywhere else. Otherwise, we will be in big trouble. We might even face a court.
Okay. Yeah, sure. I understand.
I hope you do. I hope, because I told you the normal procedure. I'm not joking. We will
Yeah.
take you in the station now, take your statement. Tomorrow you face the court.
We don't want that.
I don't want to do that. Why do I need to do that to a tourist who come
Yeah.
to visit my country? I don't want to do that.
Okay.
I'm just asking you nicely as a request.
Yeah.
If there is any bin,
No,
please delete it.
there is not.
I don't want to get in trouble just because I'm doing this favor to you.
Yeah.
I have kids, I have a family to feed. If any videos or picture comes to the internet a couple of weeks later,
Yeah.
we will be in big trouble because he just called the station and told them that he didn't take any videos.
Mm-hmm. Oh. All right. Understood.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, let me remove the car. Next time, please follow the signs.
Okay. Thank you very much.
If I could just take a picture of the your passport, please.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Yes. I knew that they were going to get me. If your house was within walking distance, but armed troops restricted your access, would you accept it? What this police officer does not know is that this is only the screen recording from the tablet. It's not the original footage from my drone. I still have it.